look at you now. You're alive. Oh, look at you now. You're alright. When the nights are cold but the world's on fire and you're scared to fall 'cause it feels too high. Oh, look at you now. You're alive.
Look how big it is. Can you see it? That's awesome, huh?
Well, that's kind of the only bust so far of all the yard rocks.
That piece or that piece is going to be the
This one?
Can I watch my pistols in front of you? I like it. Actually, that's the only one.
You're safe right now and your family is happy. It goes to show that nothing lasts forever. I wish you knew of what was waiting. It's all for you. Don't feel so jaded. Made it to June. The sun is coming out. Look at you now. You're alive. Oh, look at you now. You're alright.
see some of our favorites. It's probably the nicest haul we've ever had. Hey, can you pick out your favorite on here, big kid?
I would say, this one.
That one's your favorite?
Yep.
Ooh, that is beautiful. Can you twist it around? Ooh, very nice.
That one's nice too.
Yeah, it's got some cool markings on it. You just showed us this one?
Here, pick that one up real quick.
This one?
Yeah.
Look.
Okay.
That's a big one, huh?
Ooh, check this one out.
This one's big. This would be a me-sized crystal.
That one, oh, that one's really cool. Let's see that one. Can I see right here? Look at that break in it. Focus, focus, please.
Abracadabra.
Abracadabra, focus. That split. It's like a crystal in a crystal. Like it just got stuck in there. Oh, let's look at this one. This is pretty awesome. I actually really like that this one didn't get the stuff on the inside didn't come out.
Yeah. Well, that one we should have pressure washed, but that's okay.
Quit breathing. Whoa, I found this one. Look how cool that is. Very cool. Can you move it around a little bit so I can see all the facets? Not that part, silly goosey. The crystals. Yeah, like that. Go like this with it a little bit. Very cool. Yeah, this one, what is that?
What is what?
This one, look how cool this is.
Whoa.
It's almost like they all got smushed together.
Yeah.
That is quite the haul.
Okay, there's one that I wanted. Oh, it's this one.
Hey,
See all those nooks in there?
do you want to go inside and get a snack?
No, we're gonna go inside and start making dinner here in a minute.
What are we going to have for dinner?
Check the little keys on that one. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it was like the other ones broke off and then it started healing itself.
Mm-hmm.
Are you getting eat up?
No.
You got bug bites on the backs of your legs already, like 3 or 4 of them.
Where's the double terminated one that I brought out here? It's kind of flat.
Yeah.
Nope, that's not it. Here it is.
Yeah, you gotta be very careful with that. It's very sharp.
I'm okay then.
And then there was that little one that was like a true Archimer. Here we go. 4. Those cute nails. Heck yeah.